One possible scenario is a high-tech future, where food science and technology combine to create efficient and effective ways to feed our growing population. Imagine food synthesized in labs, nutritionally complete meals in pill form, and genetically modified crops that can grow in the harshest conditions. This is a world where food scarcity is a thing of the past, where every meal is perfectly balanced to meet your specific dietary needs. But this vision also brings its own set of challenges. Will this lab-created food be affordable for everyone? Will it taste as good as naturally grown food? And what about the potential health risks of genetically modified food and synthesized meals? Alternatively, we could see a future where we return to traditional farming methods, emphasizing organic, locally sourced produce and sustainable farming practices. This is a world where we respect the rhythm of nature, where every bite of food is a connection to the earth. However, this future also presents its own set of hurdles. Can traditional farming methods produce enough food to feed our rapidly expanding population? Will organic food, often more expensive than conventionally grown produce, be accessible to all? And how do we protect our crops from pests and diseases without resorting to chemicals? Of course, the future of food is unlikely to be an either-or scenario. Instead, it could be a blend of the high-tech and the traditional, a world where vertical farms stand alongside community gardens, where lab-created meat coexists with grass-fed beef. In summary, the future of food is a complex, multifaceted issue. It's about balancing the need for efficiency and abundance with the desire for sustainability and connection to nature. It's about making sure that everyone, regardless of their income, has access to healthy, nutritious food. And it's about exploring the potential of technology without losing sight of the wisdom of the past. So as we move forward, let's keep an open mind and a curious spirit, because the future of food is a journey and we're all in it together. Whether it's a meal in a pill, a salad from a skyscraper farm, or a feast prepared with locally sourced organic ingredients, one thing is certain: the future of food is going to be delicious.